Hey you guys, welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be an eye makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right here. It's a smoky eye. I'm going to show you what I did over onto this eye. I'm going to be using the Master Palette by Mario by Anastasia of Beverly Hills to create this smoky eye. This is the only palette I use today. I am not mixing. I am not grabbing from different palettes, just this one palette. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then obviously you have to keep watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see how I got this look, then let's begin. So the first eyeshadow I'm using is Lola, which is this one right here, and I'm using a Sigma E40 tapered blending brush for this application. I'm going to be applying Lola on my crease. This will be my transition shade, so it's going from outer all the way to inner corner. And I'm making small circular motions. The next eyeshadow I'm using is Hollywood, which is this one right here, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush for this application. I'm going to apply Hollywood on my brow bone. Going back to that Sigma E40 taper blending brush, I'm just going to blend these two eyeshadows together. So going back to Lola and the brush that came in the palette, the fluffy side, I'm going to be applying Lola right under my lashes. And make sure I connect it with my outer V. So now I'm going to flip the brush that came in the palette and I'm going to go into Claudia, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be applying Claudia on my outer V and on my inner corner, and then I'm going to connect it into the crease. Right now I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow, no blending just yet. I'm just going to pack it over here. And in the inner corner. And now I'm going to bring it in through the eye socket and connect it. I'm also going to be applying Claudia on the outer and inner corner of my lower lashes. The same thing I did on the top, I'm going to be doing on the bottom lashes. So I'm going to skip the center. And again, I'm making sure it's connected to that outer V. And I'm just applying it right now. I'm not blending anything. And I'm using the same side, the same small side from the brush that came in this palette. So now I'm going to grab this Makeup Geek Soft Dome brush and now I'm going to start blending. So I'm going to hold it from above and I'm just going to softly start blending in small circular motions and back and forth. I don't want to move it too much. I want the eyeshadow to stay where I placed it, but I do want to soften any harsh lines I created. And if you have to go back to Lola and one of the smaller brushes or that Sigma E40 taper blending brush, then go back to that and blend, blend, blend. I know in these videos everything seems super fast, like I get the look fast. It's not. I don't get it fast. I'm blending for a while and I keep playing back and forth with the eyeshadows until I'm happy with the way it looks. I just can't sit and, you know, add everything because my tutorials are pretty long as they are. And if I actually keep everything, we're going to be here forever, you guys. But yeah, real life, you blend for a while. Especially when they're deeper shades. Blending into a lighter shade, much lighter shade, then you do have to blend for quite a while and you will lose some intensity, so you have to go back and add that. Even towards the end when I'm finished, and if I feel that I need a little bit more, I'll go back and I'll add a little bit more. On this bottom lash, I went back to Lola and the fluffier side, and now I'm buffing this right under Claudia. Again, I'm not trying to get rid of Claudia, I'm just trying to make a nice transition. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Bronx, which is this shade right here, and this is a flat shader brush by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying this right under center of my eye. And I'm gonna make sure they transition nicely into Claudia. So the Bronx and Claudia have to transition nicely. So again, if you have to go back to Claudia or the Bronx, then this is when you would do that. Make sure you like the transitions. If you need to apply more, then this would be the time. I'm also going to apply Bronx right under my lower lashes where I left it empty, right here, because I'm mirroring the exact same thing I did on my mobile lid. So now I'm applying Bronx on my lower lash line, and this is a Morphe M432 brush. For my waterline, I'm using this Jante Blue Dark Brown eyeliner. It's a pencil eyeliner. So I'm going to tightline and apply this on my waterline. Okay, so next I'm going to be applying mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara, and I'm going to be applying some falsies. These are the Pure Pro eyelashes in the style Diva, and I shall be right back. All right, so the lashes are on. Next, I'm going to take Fifth Avenue, which is this shade right here, on a Makeup Geek Smoky Eye Brush, and I'm going to apply Fifth Avenue on my tear duct area for a highlight. On the lips today, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in, the name is Strut. And I'm just going to apply Strut onto the lips. You can go with whatever shade you feel like it. If you want to be more vampy, then you can go with a darker shade. Or even one of those mauvey purpley shades that will look cute as well. And this is it, you guys. This is the final look. How do you feel about it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I like it. It's nice and it's smoky and it's pretty sexy, I think. I would totally wear this on a date night. Not so much for the movies because it's dark in the movies and you know nobody can see anything, but you know, a nice dinner, or if I'm going to a party or a club, which I normally don't do. Well, I used to back in the days, not anymore. I haven't done so, not because I don't want to, just because nothing comes up. But anyways, I hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Until next time, my loves, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.